Welcome to this lesson on importing NumPy and best practices. NumPy is the fundamental package for numerical computing in Python, and knowing how to import it correctly is your first step toward mastering data science and scientific computing. In this video, you'll learn the standard way to import NumPy and understand why naming conventions matter. The standard way to import NumPy is using the statement import numpy as NP. This single line of code is universally accepted across the entire Python data science community. The keyword import brings in the numpy module, and the as keyword creates an alias, which is NP. This means instead of typing the full word numpy, every time you use a NumPy function, you can simply type NP, which is much shorter and more convenient. You might wonder why we use NP specifically as the alias for NumPy. There are four main reasons. First, it's concise. NP is short and easy to type throughout your code, saving you time and effort. Second, it's readable. The NP alias is instantly recognizable to all Python developers worldwide. Third, its standard NP is used in the official NumPy documentation, tutorials, and virtually every example you'll find online. Finally, it's consistent. Using NP maintains code consistency across different projects and teams, making collaboration much easier. While there are other ways to import NumPy, most of them should be avoided. The first alternative is simply typing import numpy without an alias. This is not recommended because it requires you to type the full module name, numpy, every single time you call a function, which becomes tedious. The second alternative is from numpy import star, which imports everything from NumPy directly into your namespace. This is strongly discouraged because it pollutes your namespace and can cause naming conflicts with other functions. The best practice remains import numpy as NP. It's clean, concise, and universally understood by the Python community. Let's see how the NP alias works in practice. After importing NumPy as NP, you can create arrays and use NumPy functions with the NP prefix. For example, to create an array, you write a RR equals NP.array, followed by a list of numbers in square brackets. To perform operations, you use NP.mean to calculate the average, or NP.sum to add up all values. Notice how the NP prefix clearly shows that these are NumPy functions, making your code self-documenting and easy to understand. This clarity is especially valuable when working with multiple libraries in the same script. Let's recap the key points from this lesson. Always use import numpy as NP when working with NumPy. This is the standard you should follow in all your projects. Remember that NP is the universal standard across the entire Python community, from beginners to professionals. Using this convention makes your code immediately understandable to other developers, whether they're reviewing your work or collaborating with you. Finally, the NP prefix provides clear namespace separation, which prevents function name conflicts with other libraries. By following these best practices, you'll write cleaner, more professional Python code that aligns with industry standards.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.